Hey guys, it's Allison
and Dylan
from Allie and Dylan Studios.
That's a termite.
Anyway, so Lucas Cruikshank called us last night. Fred called us last night. And now he was telling us how he's gonna make more Fred videos and stuff. But yeah, he was so funny and he was so nice to us. And that's Dylan's phone. This is it. Yeah.
Shame.
And actually, we have a little clip of him calling us. If you don't believe it's him, sorry. He said he's gonna call us back, so we're waiting. We're gonna wait. So thanks so much, Lucas, for watching this. Thanks so much for calling us. You're awesome. Yeah. So here it is. Right. Next clip. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, it's Allison
And Dylan.
and we're here with Lucas Cruikshank on the phone.
Hey everybody.
Yeah, it's Fred. He just called us randomly.
What's your name, sweetie?
Allison.
Well, one of Allison's, apparently one of her friends, gave me her number, and I'm calling her now.
Yeah. So wait.
I'm my biggest fan.
Yep. And so do you know the person's name that gave you my phone number?
I do, but I really don't want to reveal that. They told me that it would be like a surprise for you.
Well, tell them that we're really thankful for them. Well,
Is this Dylan?
Yeah.
Hi.
Man, what's up?
Nothing much.
Cool. So do you guys want to be actors when you grow up also?
Yeah, definitely. We actually saw you on iCarly.
Me?
Yeah, we did. We really laughed because
I need to come on a couple more episodes.
you are?
Really?
Miranda is an unbelievable person.
Who is?
Miranda.
Oh yeah, we think she's hilarious.
No, she's unbelievable. I mean, she's kind of like my idol.